So today I'm going to show you how to add team members to your Relay business bank account. Now we're going to be here on desktop so you can follow along step by step. I'm actually going to move off screen here so you can just see the web browser in full. So what we're going to do is first and foremost see that we are on our homepage of our Relay account. And if we actually scroll down here on this left-hand side, we're going to see where it says team over here for us. So let's go ahead and click in this section. We are going to get taken over to our teams page. Now, real quick, before we add a new team member, just a quick heads up. First and foremost, you're going to see all of your current team members over here towards the bottom, and you're going to see kind of some of their roles. So we have like ourselves here as an administrator. We have people that are card holders, you can see over here, and then we also have an additional administrator. So I'm going to show you here how you can go ahead and add additional team members and the different roles you can give them. And then also a heads up, there is advisors that you can have here as well. Sometimes they're going to be like your tax accountants as well. And just kind of a heads up too, if you have a lot of employees, you can actually have the search bar used so you can go ahead and find those employees, as that list can get pretty long. So obviously up here, right above the search bar, you're going to see where it says add new team member. We're going to go ahead and click into this section right here. And that's going to have a pop-up menu over here that says invite team member. So the first thing it's going to ask is for a work email, and then we're going to go ahead and plug that in. And then it's going to ask for a permission level. Now this is a toggle down menu. And you can see all the different options here. You can have a read only where they can just read all the information, usually great for some type of accountant or tax professional. You can also see administrator, bill payer that only imports the bills, as well as that card holder. You also got manager and deposit only. You could even have some employees have multiple roles, like if they're a card holder or a bill payer, you can have different roles additionally added afterwards as well. So go ahead and put in the permission level that works best for the person. And if you by chance are having them as a card holder and want to send them a physical debit card, we do want to make sure we have this checkbox over here. So that way we can have that person enter in their user address. So that way that debit card can go directly to them. Now, if you're only going to be doing a virtual debit card, you can uncheck that if you really want to. But either way, go ahead and choose whichever option works best for you. Now, a quick example too is if you switch over to bill payer, you can actually see which accounts they'll have access to. So you don't have to actually give them access to every single account, maybe just operations for the bill payer. And then over here with the manager position, it does let you know what the manager position gives access to, as well as which accounts you want them to be able to see. And then of course, there is also the administrator level, which gives you complete access to the entire account. And then if everything looks good, you can go ahead and click on the invite section over here at the bottom, and they go through the sign up process to go ahead and send in their information and create a login to be able to have access to a Relay as well. Now, there is more to show you when it comes to utilizing the Relay business bank account, and we got you covered here. Go ahead and check out our next video right over here on screen to keep on learning.